Hey guys, it's Hobby and Mr. G, and we are out in the wilderness. Come along with us. We're gonna have a good time as long as we don't run into any snakes. And I think there are probably 11 lakes here. And we're gonna try to hit them all. Hopefully we're gonna catch something. This is what we're driving here. George and I made it back from our fishing trip. We are cleaning up our catch and preparing it for dinner. Some of it anyway. We're gonna freeze some, but I think we can show this on TV.
I don't think you're supposed to.
I think you can. I hope this is not in violation of YouTube's whatever.
But I'm sure it is.
Are we? We're not butchering it, are we? I mean, it's
yes,
already
that's
dead.
Exactly, literally what we're doing.
Well, people process meat all the time on TV, don't they? How?
I mean, as content.
Well, let me go YouTube, because next time y'all see these, they're going to be fried, dyed, and laid to the side. Let me show you what I do whenever we go fishing. You see all that? All that goodness right there. Sorry for anybody that's squeamish. It goes into the compost. I don't know. I'm just going to open this one. See what I got in here? There's dirt underneath there, lots of vegetables and scraps and stuff. I'm just gonna lift this up, and newspaper and all. Come out later on and cover it up with some dirt. It is going to break down perfectly, and to confirm that your compost is gonna be all right, and in here and show you how wonderful that is. You see that? And we use it to grow hay. Let me show y'all this corn. That corn ain't playing.